Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook colorful movie combo like this. So in this latest update, Heartopia has new event, Dreamlike Cinematic event. That in this event you can cook any limited food. One of them is colorful movie combo like this. And then to cook this food, you need springday fruit black tea, and then you need sweet dual packet, and then for the last you need wild vegetable celtuce taco. And then after all the ingredients are complete, just simply tap on start cooking like this, and then just cook the food. And okay, like this, you successfully making colorful movie combo like this. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.